Welcome to Reverse Tone Training. In this session, we'll provide an introduction to cryptocurrency, exploring the fascinating world of digital currencies. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a revolutionary form of digital or virtual currency that operates independently of traditional banking systems. Here are the key points to understand. A decentralized digital money built on blockchain technology is cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional currencies issued and regulated by governments, cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques for secure financial transactions. How cryptocurrencies work. Blockchain is a decentralized computer network on which cryptocurrencies run. Each transaction is recorded in a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain, ensuring transparency and security. Popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin are some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Each has its unique features, use cases, and communities of users. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies offer fast and low-cost transactions, enhanced security, and the potential for financial inclusion for unbanked populations. They also provide opportunities for investment and diversification. Risks and challenges. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and their value can fluctuate dramatically. There are also concerns about regulatory issues, security vulnerabilities, and potential for misuse in illegal activities. Blockchain technology. Blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, has various applications beyond finance, such as supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Reverse Tone Training for more valuable insights and training videos.